Hey guys, this is Fundo on Shupagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Pagate is having a criticize of fate when the congregants don't show up. Nkululeko attack Mazulu and warn that she will get what comes to her. Menzi is shocked by Makhozane on the neck in their bedroom. Makhozane has a jealous of Menzi for buying the new car for Nairobi. Do you think Nkululeko will find out who take Inyong on the ceremony? Or Makhozane will accept the apologize of Menzi? Please leave your comment below. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.